All right, let's go. Ah, wind noise, wind noise, wind noise. Come on, get a mic. Okay, we're picking up speed. Oh, uncommon thing. Path travel. Get yourself out of there. Stop. Don't get next to him. Either you go or stop. I mean, slow down, but you go or slow down. Get yourself out of that situation. There's no reason to yell. That dude has the lug nut rule on his side. Oh my gosh. All right, so let's take a look at this. So we're riding. We have a destroyed front end dash, so possibly already crashed at some point. So we're riding. Now, what is that one pattern I'm always talking about? If this lane has people in it and it's going slower than our lane, and our lane has this nice big gap and there's no one there, what do you think this vehicle wants to do? They want to go into our lane. So as soon as you see that, as soon as you see like this person like right on the ass of the person in front of them and our lane is moving, they're going to want to take it. So what I do is I kind of sit, let's say like I'm speeding up, I'm getting up to him and I notice that, I'll stay like right here. I'll stay right there and I'll stay there for like 2 seconds because I'll see if this person decides that they want to go. But I'm going to stay here for like 2 seconds and they don't move. Okay, then I go. I'm not going to keep going. I'm going to go up to here. 1, 2 seconds. Okay, they're not going. Cool. Now I'm going to go. That's what I would do. And that's what I do in every situation. I don't put myself right next to them and then decide if they're going to come or not. I'm going to wait right here in a staggered formation right there and wait 2 seconds and then go. Okay. So we didn't. We just kept maintaining our speed. Now, this is that scary situation of what do we do? You need to find your escape path right here, or you need to decelerate. Remember, escape paths, you can accelerate through something. You can swerve however you want, but you can also decelerate. So you can also squeeze some brake pressure, not grab. You don't want to grab, squeeze, okay? And then right here, what I'm talking about is why are we slowing down and stopping here? We need to get ourselves out. Go. Get out of here. If we're staying right here, this guy could possibly not hear us, and he's just going to keep going, but we're going to stay here and honk, hoping that they're going to see us now. Not a good situation. Get yourself out of there. You never know. You never know if they see you or not. Obviously, he didn't see you when he switched lanes. No reason. Real quick, look at all those lug nuts. Look at all these lug nuts. The more you have, the bigger the animal you are. You're on the top of the food chain out here on the road. All right. Same thing. Same rider, I mean. All right, green light. Okay, green doesn't mean go. But we're going to go ahead and lane filter. Perfectly fine. Lane filter. Lane filter. Doesn't matter. All right. Get out of here. Get out of here.